Okay, hi. This is pretty simple. I've got a little wall elevation here as an example. I'm gonna go to the dimension tools and point to point, left click and you drag and it creates its own dimension points. And it has its uses. I wouldn't use it for cabinet elevations. I use the end to end, and you just left click and drag and there it is. Move that up there. Extend this dimension over here, if you like. Then here, see how easy this is? Left click, drag. It takes a little practice. But this is the tool to use. End to end is what I use for cabinets. Go all the way to the bottom there. Sometimes it dimensions below the floor. I don't know why it does that, but sometimes you have to zoom in and put it on the make sure it's actually measuring to the actual floor. And okay, pull that, grab this, pull it down, extend it. I find this very reliable and quick. So the dimension tools have their own specific purposes, but for cabinet elevations, you really need to use end to end and not point to point, okay? Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.